What is up, my dear foodies? This is the Foodie Medico back with another easy recipe video. Now, this is not at all an everyday recipe. It's for those special days when you get that आज कुछ तूफानी करते हैं kind of a feeling. Yeah, it's for those kind of days. I don't know about you, but I like my omelets fluffy. And the secret to the fluffiness lies in how much you beat the eggs. The more air bubbles there are, the fluffier your omelette is gonna be. It's as simple as that. Oh, and by the way, I recently hit the 1000 subscriber mark on YouTube. So, thank you for that, my dear foodies. I love you all. If you like this recipe, do try it out and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching this video, my dear foodie. And until next time, this is the Foodie Medico signing off.